Hi guys, welcome to another week of trading by analytics, another analysis. This time we've got some good news, bad news, and some quite insider news. So a lot is happening. So let's get on it. No double spend. Just to say, no double spend happened on the network. It was some stupid analysis done by Bitmex reporter that basically said that the block 666833 had a double spend transaction. I mean, those guys, man, that's fucking insider trading. They wanted to do that and they fucking bought the dip. These guys, man, this was so horrible. The double spend was apparently worth, if there wasn't any obviously, but what was reported was for $22, and it led to $100 billion market sell-off. So you can imagine how much money these guys made off it. Absolutely insane. I mean, it's preposterous. I mean, the regulations really need to see what happened here. All right, the world's MicroStrategy obviously bought the dip as usual, and they purchased about $10 million of Bitcoin in cash, and the markets were falling. World's largest asset manager BlackRock has made some filing with the US SEC to begin investing in Bitcoin's future. David Gridler of Fundstrat has predicted that ETH could touch the all-time high level. If it breaks the all-time high level of 1439, it could go to about 10,500, around seven-folds of the price that it is right now. Coinbase in the recent reporting has basically said that they have about $90 billion in assets on the platform. That is 10% of the total crypto market, baby. Sweet. Tether Bank, Deltec has said that all the Tether is 100% backed by cash reserves. All right, that's a relief. One of the key executives of Huawei has been in custody in China. Well, nothing else. If they can take away Baba, well, they can take away anyone. Basically, in the latest crackdown of the OTC trading services provided by the platform, Russia's Cyberbank files to launch its own stablecoin and has applied to become a licensed digital asset issuer. VanEck files for crypto ETFs. Canadian Bitcoin mining firm Hive Blockchain has bought 6,400 next generation mining machines from Canaan, one of the biggest in the world. Leading cryptocurrency derivative exchange Bit.com set to launch Bitcoin Cash options next year. Well, options are always good, man, but they need to be liquid. I mean, that's what they need to take care of. All right, so BTC weekly. So last week we said that our support was at 3,700 and resistance at 4,200. This was historically predicted on 10th of January. Let's see how it went. Ooh, okay. Sorry. Sweet, 20% in 2 weeks. Look at those levels. Ah, man, that is sweet. You could have taken so much here. You could have taken so much here as well. Ah, this is so sweet. I'm a genius. RAI is genius. Trade for the future, guys. So 33,500, around 33,500 is our resistance, and around 29,789 is our support. So if it breaks our resistance, then we should buy, and if it breaks our support, then we should obviously sell. And for sell the asset, if it breaks our support at 29,700, and if it breaks our resistance at 34,000, we should buy. And make sure whenever it breaks the resistance or support, it really needs to break with large volumes. So keep the volume indicator active. And you should always follow the 1 hour candle, and the 1 hour candle should close above the resistance or below the support to give a confirmation. It shouldn't be a wick like over here. So it should either close above or close below. So make sure and always use the 1 hour candle and watch out for the large volume indicator. Similarly with ETH, we had predicted that ETH would be has a support of 1080 and resistance at 1280, and it's pretty much, it broke both. So both ways people made profit, but it's somewhat again back to the stage one, and it's again consolidating. So people would have at least made 10% on each side. And so for this week we've got a resistance at 1400 and a support at 1150, and make sure that whenever it breaks our resistance, it should break with large volumes. The other thing is that it should follow the 1 hour candle, and the 1 hour candle should either close below or it should either close below or above it. It should close below the support or above the resistance. So 1 hour candle is very crucial here. So S&P 500, again, we predicted that we had a resistance of around 38.24 and support at 37.25, and it broke our resistance. So we got about 5 to 7% grade. We again back this week with a support of 38.20 and a resistance of 38.60. And our AI has been on a roll these past few weeks, so you can see all of that. So our support and resistance levels should be broken with large volumes. The 1 hour candle should close below the support or above the resistance to give a confirmation, and always use the 1 hour candle. Never use anything else for it. Gold, again, we predicted a support at 1820 and resistance at 1870, and the asset has gone into consolidation. Nothing else. It has gone into consolidation, and we maintain the same levels in this. So either it breaks the resistance at 1870 or it breaks the support at 1820. So, but watch out, whenever it breaks the support, it has to close. The 1 hour candle needs to close below the support level, or it has to close above the resistance level. So I think so. We are continuing with 100% accuracy as usual, and watch out for more information on these trades. And looking forward for your input, and happy trading, man. It's going to be a crazy volatile week. Looking forward for the best, man. And Biden's in the office, so let's see what happens. Cheers. Bye bye. Happy trading.